Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Majid and in this video we are sharing with you a few tips to make your Windows optimized. Mean to say that how to optimize your Windows 10 for gaming and also increase your FPS and boost your Windows performance like that. So consider subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. So let's start the video without any further ado. Okay, the first tip is clear your waste storage files. Let me explain with you. Go to your PC. Okay, the first step is clear your cache memory, like temporary files, like they are using your a lot of space and that is too bulky. How you can delete those files? You have to simply short key window plus R, or simply you can go to start menu and type. You go to start menu and simply type run like this one, and there is the option percentage temp and again percentage press enter, and these are the files that these files are useless and you don't need this one, so please delete this one. These files are taking a lot of space in your PC, like control A, delete. Look at it, 600 and something MB these files are kept. Okay, after that simply go to recycle bin, empty recycle bin, and that's it for this step. Again you have to go to window plus R. Now simply type temp, continue, control A, delete to solve for current items, and skip. Okay, after that the number 3 one is prefetch. Continue, control A, delete, skip, close, empty. Okay, that's it for this one. And the next one is optimized according to your startup. Like what I mean to say that disable all those apps that you are not using in startup, like IDM. There's a lot of software that are running when you start your PC, and mean to say that you are booting your PC and the softwares are running. Let me show you how what I mean. Okay, again window plus R and type ms config, and the pop-up window will appear. Then here's the option services, hide all Microsoft services. These are the softwares that are running when or start. So simply you can have to check mark those software that you want to start when you boot your PC, like this one. And after that go to startup, open task manager and startup. These are the apps that will run on your startup, like App Launcher, Zapier, Origin, Internet Download Manager, Skype, and Audio Driver, Google Chrome, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Software, Steam, and these are softwares that I currently disabled. That I only enable these one. So like this one, I will disable. Now that's it. Looks nice. When you press OK, that's it for this step. The next step is very easy. You have to simply go to control panel and boost your electricity performance to consume high performance from your PC and increase your FPS, boost your performance. Okay, for this step you have to go to control panel and go to system and security, and these are power option. And when you will start your PC, as a default there is a balanced, and you have to simply choose high performance to make to use more energy and increase your performance and increase your FPS. That will be help to make your game smooth. That's it for this one, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next tip is also in the control panel, so I will never discuss here. Let's see there. Let's go and see there. To open this one, simply go to control panel, go to system and security, system, that advanced system settings, and there is an option performance. Simply go to settings and adjust for best performance. I suggest you adjust for best performance. That will give you a best performance to make your game smooth and smoother. Simply go apply and you will, that's okay. Okay, the next one is background apps. You have to disable all running background apps when you are gaming and we are live streaming and when you are doing editing to make your PC boost performance. So let's start with the desktop version. Simply go to start menu, type background apps like this one. So when you open this one, there is let apps run in the background. Then of course now these no apps are running background, but you have to turn this off. Let apps run in the background. These are the apps. So that's it for this one. So these are the tips to make your PC optimized according to gaming. So see you next one. Peace out. Take care.